Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. In this channel I share entertainment news as well as vlogs sometimes. So guys, today we are just talking about the marvelous birthday party that Uvuyokazi did for her daughter Umhlopekazi. Like guys, the party was out of this world. Okay, so Umhlopekazi was turning 5 years, guys. Can you believe it's been 5 years? Like I'm sure now you can, she can't believe it. So the thing with Barbie, it was so nice. The pictures looked so great. Uvuyokazi posted the pictures on Instagram, ne? And then the pictures were also posted on Facebook. And then there's this other comment. Person was asking, "What? How? Oh, girl, how did she do it?" Someone was asking, "How did she do it? How did she manage to pay for all of this? Where did she get the money?" Guys, Uvuyokazi just came back from doing the surgery at Turkey, the surgery for weight loss. As you can see in the pictures, she has lost weight, especially in the stomach area, So obviously, imali yokwenza i-birthday party yakaBarbie, she does have the money, guysini. Girl has a YouTube channel that is doing so great. She also does ini konje lento le partnering with brands. She also partners with brands, obviously bayambhadala. And guys, isazi isikhwama somuntu, like why are we now asking ourselves izinto esingazifuni? And then someone replied under that comment ukuthi indaba zabantu, guys, indaba zabantu akusiye zethu ezakavuyokazi. And then I know what people are asking this question because they are assuming ukuthi kubhadale umpumelelo. And even if he did pay for it, like they share a daughter. So even if he didn't pay for it, I don't see a problem if Uvuyokazi can afford, or Uvuyokazi futhi also has a family. Even the family can help out. Like I hate this thing of people thinking ukuthi Uvuyokazi is poor. How, guys? And the person that was asking ukuthi how did she pay for it, yena ngokwakhe thola ukuthi nje naye khumbula kembeswa nje ufana nathi. Uvuyokazi managed to go to a Turkey to do weight loss surgery. Can you guys imagine how much she spent on that trip? So obviously ugela unayo imali. Birthday party is nothing compared to going to Turkey for that surgery. So nje people, I know what it's hard minding your own business, but sometimes but guys, the party was so like very cute nje. The Barbie theme, it was giving. And okubalulekile ukuthi like umntwana enjoyed. That's the most important part. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.